Have you ever really thought about what it means to be in the present moment? I'm Krista Oakes, and today's your Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. In yoga, we talk a lot about being in the present moment. Namaste and all that peace, love, and joy, live in the present moment. But what does that really mean? When we live in the present moment, it means appreciating and acknowledging all that exists in this moment. For me right now, that's my heart beating and my breath flowing. I see this beautiful blue sky outside. I'm in a warm home with a roof above my head, even though it's 40 degrees outside. When we spend a lot of time regretting the past, things that we can't change and that we can't do anything about, or we spend a lot of time fearful of the future and what could possibly happen, we create this anxiety and this stress that robs us of joy because it robs us of this moment where we can see the blue sky and feel warm and feel our breath. So my invitation for you on this Mindful Monday is to take a moment to stop, to be still, and just to acknowledge the grace and the glory and the comfort and the contentment in this moment that you have right here and right now. Namaste.